Today we're going to be doing intermediate. I'm going to show you traditional grip and I'm going to show you. This is Clayton Skinner. Welcome to another episode of Beyond the Beat. Hi, this is Clayton Skinner and welcome back to the basic rhythmic theory section. Today we're going to be covering eighth note subdivisions. Now that we know what a quarter note is, an eighth note is just a simple subdivision of a quarter note. It's basically you take a quarter note, you cut it in half, and that gives you 2 eighth notes. Now if you look on your PDF, you'll see that the way you count an eighth note is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The ands are represented by the little pluses. Now an eighth note, what an eighth note looks like is kind of looks like what a quarter note looks like, but it has one flag coming down off of the stem. If you have 2 eighth notes put together, it's just basically 2 quarter notes with a line connecting them at the top. And that's all that an eighth note is. So an exercise to help you count these, I'm going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm only going to clap on the quarter notes. So there's only going to clap 4 times to the 8 notes that I'm going to be naming. So it's going to go like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that was 4 quarter notes with an eighth note in between, which equals out to be 8 altogether. 8 eighth notes. So now I'm going to do 2 bars. Now it's important that when you do the second bar, that you count 1 at the beginning of that second bar. So it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now I'm going to clap even on the eighth notes. I'm going to clap 2 bars of eighth notes, and I want you to try to clap along with me. Okay, ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you can clap along this as many times as you want, just till you get the hang of counting this out. So again, an important thing to remember with eighth notes is you have to place them exactly between the quarter notes. Okay? So nice and easy, nice and steady, and keep practicing this lots. That's it for this episode. Make sure that you check out our video on 16th note subdivisions. And on that one, I'll see you later.